Welcome back to Next Gen Luxury Motorhomes, where we explore the most futuristic and luxurious vehicles that are shaping the future of travel. Today we're reviewing something truly spectacular, the 2026 Ford Motorhome. This incredible creation is more than just a recreational vehicle. It's a bold statement of design, innovation and comfort. From its striking exterior to the luxurious interior, from its advanced performance capabilities to its premium price point, this Ford Motorhome is designed to redefine what it means to travel in style. At first glance, the exterior makes a powerful impression. The sleek black body is accented by golden LED light strips that give it a futuristic glow, especially at night. The vehicle's aerodynamic curves and sculpted lines make it look more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional motorhome. The oversized tinted windows that stretch across both levels not only enhance the futuristic aesthetic, but also provide passengers with panoramic views of the outside world. At the front, the illuminated Ford logo stands out proudly, symbolizing both tradition and innovation. The massive alloy wheels are designed with a futuristic pattern that adds a sporty yet elegant touch, while the modern LED headlight system ensures visibility and a commanding presence on the road. Stepping inside, the Ford Motorhome feels like entering a luxury penthouse suite. The double-decker layout allows Ford to maximize every inch of space, creating separate zones for relaxation, work, dining, and sleeping. On the lower deck, you're greeted by an opulent lounge featuring plush leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system that rivals a home theater. The smart glass technology in the windows allows passengers to adjust the tint instantly, offering both privacy and comfort. Moving into the kitchen, Ford has integrated sleek cabinetry with top-of-the-line appliances, including a smart induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and hidden storage that blends seamlessly into the minimalist design. Every detail here is engineered to offer convenience without compromising style. On the upper level, the luxury only continues. Spacious bedrooms feature king-size beds, smart climate control, and panoramic windows that create an open and relaxing environment. There's even a private workspace with futuristic desks and integrated technology for those who want to stay connected while traveling. The bathrooms are designed with spa-like features such as rainfall showers, premium fixtures, and ambient lighting that makes you feel as if you're in a high-end hotel suite. Every surface is finished with a mix of fine leather, brushed aluminum, and natural wood accents, combining modern sophistication with timeless elegance. Performance is another area where Ford ensures this motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, giving it a balance of raw power and eco-conscious efficiency. The advanced suspension system ensures smooth handling across highways and uneven terrains, making long journeys more comfortable than ever. Driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and AI-powered navigation add a layer of safety and convenience, ensuring that both driver and passengers feel secure and relaxed throughout the trip. As for the price, the Ford Motorhome is positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury market. While exact pricing will vary, depending on customization options and regional availability, it's expected to be in the multi-million-dollar range. This puts it in direct competition with luxury offerings from brands like Mercedes and Volvo. But what sets this Ford apart is the combination of futuristic design, innovative features, and the trusted heritage of the Ford brand. For those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's an investment in a lifestyle of unmatched freedom and luxury. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is more than just a motorhome. It's a vision of the future of luxury travel. It combines innovation, comfort, and performance in a way that's never been seen before, creating an experience that's truly unforgettable. If you're passionate about the future of luxury vehicles and love seeing groundbreaking designs like this one, then stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of what's to come. Thank you for joining us here at Next Gen Luxury Motorhomes. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews and insights into the most extraordinary vehicles of tomorrow.